So stay the whole video because the last one, it's very funny to me and it has to do with having thoughts.
Have some balls, get up there and do it. Do what you're meant to do.
Hello chicos y chicas, bienvenidos a otro video de una Spanish school and giving some Spanish lessons. I realize you guys have sayings, we have sayings, but they are definitely a little different. Definitely, even if we want to say the same thing, they're just different. And let me try to explain to you. Have you heard this expression?
Ooh, speak of the devil.
Actually, I say the same in Spanish, but we don't speak of the devil. We say, speaking of the king of Rome.
Hablando del rey de Roma.
So, example, if we are gossiping about somebody and Joanna comes, and we are speaking about Joanna is esto, Joanna es lo otro. Hablando del rey de Roma, okay, mira quién se asoma. That's how we would just like complete the sentence.
Hablando del rey de Roma, por la puerta asoma.
¿Qué coño?
Hablando del rey de Roma, we say speaking about the king of Rome. I don't know what's the origin of this. Another one that I've seen that you guys use, and I was like, yes, I use that one too.
I'm helping you. Doing? Give you an inch, you'll take a mile.
Give him an inch and he will take a mile. And I was like, oh, now I get what it means. I actually say, le das la mano y se toma el codo.
Uno le da la mano y quiere agarrar el codo.
Le das la mano y se toma el codo. You give somebody the hand to help them, but they go and take the whole thing. They take the elbow, the arm. How funny is that? Another one is that I've seen, that I've heard a lot, like this is more like in TV shows,
This was the straw that broke the camel's back.
So the straw that broke the camel's back. And I was like, we say something very similar, but for me, this one makes more sense to me. And we say,
La gota que derrama el vaso.
the drop that, oh my God, this is going to be very hard to translate. La gota que derramó el vaso. The drop that fall out of the full glass. You will help me in the comments to translate this, but what it means is like you are pouring water into a glass and there is a point when just like you're so fed up, then it starts by a drop, right? That falls out of the glass. That's la gota que derramó el vaso. That was the top of your capacity to tolerate something. And finally, I'm gonna leave you with some very funny, weird one, that it was the one that I promised to you.
Have some balls, get up there and do it. Do what you're meant to do.
That's what people say, men say when you should be brave. But in Spanish, tú tienes huevos, hay que tener huevos.
Hay que tener huevos. Hay que tener huevos. Si quieres poder, hay que tener huevos.
So men should have, or men or women, whatever, even women have to have eggs. Yes, eggs. That's how we say it. So very curious to know what do you think about those, that if you have heard them before or not. Anyways,